Meditations. Meditation is not limited to one religion, one race, one caste, one age. It is a simple activity that can be easily done by any old person of any religion, any race. Through meditation, we hope for our mental and physical health. We live in a complex society. We constantly suffering from a number of mental illness such as stress and depressions without being able to solve the problems we face in daily life. As a result, we suffer from a number of deadly non-communicable diseases such as cancer and heart disease. If you have a strong mind, you will not fall prey to any of these diseases because you are able to bear the pain, the happiness, the profit, the loss, the humiliation, the praise. Then your mind is relaxed, you are happy. Now your body's hormones are working properly. Your circulatory system is strengthened and your natural immune system is strengthened. Genetic mutations do not occur. Of course, you are a healthy man. Meditation gives us so many valuable things for free. Meditation is a simple exercise that we can all do. Now let us meditate. There are several ways to meditate, but a beginner should practice a simple meditation. The most suitable meditation for that is breath meditation. By practicing this meditation, you can control your mind very well. All you have to do is pay attention to the breathing process that we have been doing since birth. This is a simple task that can be done very easily. First, select a suitable place for this. A quiet environment is better. Choose a convenient place for this in your home or in your office or in a city park. You can do this meditation sitting in a chair or sitting on the floor. Or you can do this meditation from the bed when you wake up in the morning or when you go to the bed at night. Here you can choose any posture that is convenient for you. Now we practice meditation. Choose a suitable place and a comfortable posture. Slowly close your eyes first. Now, if you hear noise around you, listen to them for a while. Now, focus on your body and imagine the posture you are in at the moment. Now, you will feel your heartbeat. You will feel your breathing. You will feel your abdomen swell and contract. Now turn your attention to inhaling and exhaling. Focus on that and stay as long as possible. You may find it difficult to control your mind at the beginning. Your mind will be drawn to many places. Various images will appear. Ignore it all. Always turn your mind back to breathing in and breathing out. In a few days, your mind will obey you. Your mind will be cleaned and your mind and body will feel great relaxation. If possible, practice this breath meditation daily. Practice this for at least 5 minutes. Once practice, increase the time and meditate. In a few months, you will be a healthy and always happy person with good qualities.